The overall goal of this procedure is to analyze how dog owners interact with their pet dogs in a standardized set of tasks mirroring the everyday life of dog owner dyads.
This method can help answer different questions and key questions in the fields of dog ethology, anthrozoology, and human social psychology, such as how owners influence their dogs' behaviors during everyday life interactions. The main advantage of this technique is that it combines behavioral analysis and a factor analytic approach, allowing for a comprehensive analysis of dog owners' interaction styles.
When the dog owner arrives to the test room, have the dog freely explore the setting for 5 minutes off leash. The test room should be about 5 by 6 meters. Meanwhile, explain the procedure to the dog owner. To document the experiment, use 4 digital video cameras mounted at the 4 corners of the room. Connect them to a video recording station outside of the test room. The test must be conducted in a specific order, beginning with the food choice test. First, have the owner sit on a chair on one side of the room. Provide the owner with a questionnaire to collect demographic information and set up the test. Put the dog on a leash and tie it to the wall directly opposite the owner. Then, from the table positioned by the owner, prepare 2 plates, one with a piece of sausage and one that is empty. Set the plates 1 meter apart and 1.5 meters from the dog. Then,